Wow. You wake up in the morning and you're excited to do some work. I wake up on days like this and I had a great up-and-coming tubers with Cody Warner last night, and I can't wait to sit down on my computer and see what happened overnight. It's how I start every day. I am on my way to go live. This is always such a crazy rush every morning, but like I say, every day, it's the best hour of my day.
Can't forget Piney.
Woo, I'm in a beautiful area, and shockingly, I'm early for the best hour of my day. It's 9:30. I have time to get set up, and we've got Piney. This is gonna be awesome.
Look, honey, there's hawks up there. How do you get a hawk to land on your finger?
It is 8:45, 15 minutes before the best hour of my day. And of course, I'm an old man, so I have to pee. This should be an adventure in itself. What an amazing live. That was just incredible. Now on to Shady Maples Buffet and Rest Home for Teresa's birthday.
It's gonna be awesome, can't wait.
Woohoo! What a day. We're about to get our eat on at some Shady Maples. As you can see, for round one, I went heavy on the vegetables. An hour in the Smorgasbord and 20 minutes in the bathroom, and it's now time to hit the gift shop. My daughter made a really salient point. She just turned 21 a few months ago, and she said that 21 is the last birthday that you actually look forward to. I couldn't agree more. I mean, what other milestone is there really to celebrate after 21?
You don't quite understand this when you're only 21.
We're going to Kitchen Kettle to walk off the rest of our lunch, slash dinner, slash tomorrow's food.
Yeah, / never need to eat again today, so we'll see you there.
Oh yeah. One of these is dry. What about that one over there? Well, that was dry too. There's only one good one here. Milking the cow. So I think Teresa had a pretty good birthday at Shady Maples Smorgasbord and Rest Home. I know we had fun. And then of course Kitchen Kettle, which is a really cool place to shop. Everything that we did today is kind of in the Lancaster, Pennsylvania area, which is why all the Amish are here as well. Hopefully she had a good birthday. What's up, buddy? We're back from Kitchen Kettle after trying to walk off the amazing Shady Maples buffet, and it didn't work. So we're out walking again. It was a fantastic day of family and birthdays. What an awesome day. And I'll tell you this, Mina's totally right. 21 is the last birthday that you have any reason to look forward to. Nobody really wants to get a year older, but consider the alternative. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.